Item of 3. Yes.
My lords, I have submitted a preliminary report on the 3 airports that we have inspected, Omroi and Leh Ladakh, and also the Port Blair. But this is, I will be submitting the complete and comprehensive report, my lord, once we visit the other airport also, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing virtually, my lord.
Inspection team awarding. How can you include our name in the inspection team, sir? Here, as a port, we have come.
Oh, my lord, I was little doubtful of that, my lord, but that's why I said,
Just while going through the report, we will say
yes,
that these are all the facts
Yes.
which we have seen.
Yes.
Suppose your inspection team means how can we render a contra view?
my lord.
Take it back
My lord, my
and
lord.
file.
Yes.
Remove these 2 names and then file it.
My lord, my lord. I'll do that, my lord.
Page 3, my lord. Page 3, bottom, the observation of learned amicus is worth noticing, my lord.
Well, need to be designed in 2 mountains and take a U-turn runway.
Last 3 line, my lord. Barely 1 or 2 kilometer, my lord. Here is a 5 to 10 kilometer in, because high mountain.
The distance is there. Distance is available.
Yes, my lord. And
See, we found that the distance is available because it's not landing one side, take off another side. It's not so.
yes, my lord.
Both one side.
One second.
Yes, ma'am.
But the one side, the terrain has been cut.
Yes, my lord.
So that side only the flight is landing and flight is taking off. And
Yes.
apart from that, there is a distance is there.
Yes, my lord.
See, after seeing Ladakh airport and Port Blair airport, if training is given, compared to these 2 airports,
Yes, my lord.
this appears to be a safer airport.
Safer, because 10 to 12 kilometer, I saw that in Shillong airport, so far as the other cluster is, my lord, it is around 10 to 12 kilometer away, 10 to 20 kilometer. Last, page 3, my lord, paragraph 3. On the side of runway 22, there is a mountain situated about 10.
Swami?
I'm reading page 3, my lord, and point 3.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So also the mountain situated at 10 to 11.
So 10 to 20 kilometer, where in Ladakh it is only 1 to 2 kilometer, my lord. So that way,
That's what we said. We have not even gone through the report.
Yes.
We remember what is that.
yes.
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
You take it back.
My lord,
Yes, Mr.
My lord, as far as
Mushika.
LIDAR survey is concerned, my lord, I'm appearing online, my lord, I'm not well, my lord.
No,
My lord,
problem.
what happened, my lord? As far as the LIDAR survey is concerned, my lord, the LIDAR survey has been completed, my lord. The survey part has been completed on 7th of June, my lord.
7th June.
My lord.
Yes.
Now they're asking for about a month's time, my lord, to prepare the report.
That is, we'll get this report first.
My lord.
This report first. We'll call the matter on
My lord.
20th.
my lord,
File the report.
My lord.
And thereafter, I'll give you
My
time.
my lord.
My lord. My lord.
At the request of the amicus for filing the preliminary report. All on. What about 21st, madam? 21st. No matter. 21st.
21st, my lord.
File a report.
21st.
Take it back
My lord.
and file a report. And we'll also render our views
Yes, my lord.
based on the report.
My lord.
And thereafter, we'll give time to Dr. Moshika.
Yes.
Madam, please note it. It is represented by Dr. Moshika that so-and-so survey has already been completed on 7th June and that they require time to file a detailed report. Since a preliminary report needs to be filed with regard to inspection done at Ladakh and Port Blair, we grant a week's time for the amicus to file the report.
My lord.
Please return this.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
21st.
Yes. Item number 4.
We'll proceed so that we'll give a finding on that. In the meantime, we will also ascertain with regard to those places and we can give a quite to the matter. Possibly we'll go on for 24th and come back on
27.
20, whatever day, 27th.
Item number 4.
May it please your lordships. This is an appeal under section 13(1) of the Commercial Courts Act. By an order dated 14/5/24, lordships are directed.
Coming up for the first time.
It's the second time minutes. The first order was 14/5/24.
What happened? Is a private notice been taken?
Lordship,
Private notice taken.
we have already done it, lordship.
Where is the proof?
Send it by registered post.
That is the proof.
Whereas we filed a copy of the postal receipt.
As the respondent received it.
No, my lords. The very recent tracking report says it has not been received as yet.
No, it is represented by the counsel appearing for the petitioner that the private notice sent has not yet been received by the respondent. Post after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Or shall we say post immediately after service?
Well, so we'll have to see that and come back. The registry might not know about it.
Post on we'll see. Suppose we are not going, we'll get another day. We'll post it on 27th. How many matters are there?
5.
Any other day free? Monday to Thursday?
28. 25th.
25th is free. 25th.
Obligation, Lord.
No, we must post some cases on some dates. Because of my posting section, people said that the division bench and single. We have disposed of about 70 matters. We came here with 94. Yes.
Item number 5.
What happened? Service.
Service upon respondent number 3, Lordship, is awaited.
Awaited.
Yes, Lordship. Petitioner is appearing through
All
VC.
three is awaited. Post on. Same date, 25th.
Lordship, petitioner is appearing through VC. Petitioner counsel is appearing through VC, Lordship. And for respondent number 1 and 2.
Where is the petition? Who is appearing for the petitioner?
R. Sharma.
Nobody is here. You are appealing for?
They are appearing through VC, Your Lordship.
Nobody is there. VC is on.
Lordship, I am the petitioner in this case. I am online. 13%, Lordship.
Not able to see you, sir.
Lordship, I am the party in person. I am appearing online.
Yes, sir. Petitioner is also permitted to serve notice to represent the third respondent before the tribunal. Have you served the third respondent? Did you
this
serve
has
notice? Did you serve notice on the third respondent?
This was sent by registered post, Lordship, and I have sent it through WhatsApp also, and they have acknowledged to me.
WhatsApp is not proper service.
We have sent through by courier also, Your Lordship.
By
You are appearing for?
posted-
Or petitioner.
You are appearing for the petitioner. I mean, appellant.
Yes.
So he is appellant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel is appearing. Party in person is appearing. It's a double barrel gun.
We have taken step by registered post and by courier.
Not it served.
And its
You send one more notice.
status is should deliver your.
Deliver.
Yes,
Where is the
We
proof?
have
Not filed.
No, Your Lordship.
The counsel appearing for the appellant submitted. Sir, you are represented by a lawyer. Here.
Yeah, I am going offline, Lordship.
No, not a problem at all. But she is representing. Yes, it is represented by the counsel appearing for the appellant. Sorry, petitioner. That third respondent has already been served. and that she will file the proof of affidavit in the registry this week. Post the matter on 1st, 2nd, 3rd July somewhere. Or 28th. 28th.
Fine, okay.
28th.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lordship. Grateful.
Item number 6.
Lordship on the last occasion, my lord, this honorable court has granted us time to file objection, my lord, to this appeal. My lord, the objection is ready. It could not be filed because the concerned officers are out on official tour, my lord.
What is the matter about, sir?
My lord, this is regarding one-time increment, my lord. So they are one-time increment, my lord. They are the lecturers serving as lecturers in two different colleges in Shillong, my lord. Deficit college teachers, my lord. So, my lord, at a belated stage, my lord, they approached this honorable court by way of a writ petition.
Relatedly.
My lord.
Batches.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, yes, yes.
So, my lord, they had approached this honorable court stating that there is
This is the question we
Yes,
said
well-
that why don't you give it from a prospective date?
my lord, this is only one time. It is only one time increment, my lord.
But this is the question last time we posed.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, this honorable court had granted us time.
You said that it's not a continuous course of action
Yes,
and
yes,
it's only
my
for
lord.
one particular
Yes,
period
my
and there's a.
So, permission was granted for filing objection, my lord. But however, since the concerned officers are out of station.
How many days delay? When was the amount payable? When did they approach the court?
My lord, they approached the court in
2022, your lordship.
22, my lord.
They approached the court in 2022.
Yes, sir.
When was the amount due? Hmm. 2000?
My lord, in the writ petition,
So writ petition was filed in 2022, sir.
my lord,
But when was the amount due to them? According to them?
as per this, that they have not specified in the, my lord, in the writ petition, my lord.
No,
But as far as the scheme
2008
is
is the
concerned,
scheme.
my lord, exactly, my lord. It is as per the 2008 scheme and 2010 regulations, my lord.
Oh, 20% between 2006 and 2010.
Yes, my lord.
What is the amount payable to them?
My lord, that, my lord, they have not spelled out, my lord. What is the amount?
I thought you said that
They have not.
you will be paying 80%, government will be paying 20%.
No, that is already settled, my lord. The central government has already paid 80% of the expenses. We have paid 20%. That is settled, my lord. Already settled way back in 2016.
If they have, having worked, if served, why don't you give them some money and give a quietus to the matter?
My lord, this will amount to settling, unsettling a petty issue, my lord.
Not the entire amount. You pay some portion because the delay, they should also be.
My lord, this is only one additional increment they are talking about, my lord.
But does it? Will it have a bearing on the pension and other things?
No, nothing, my lord.
Nothing. Yes, what do you say, madam? You approach the court after 12 years.
Your lordship, there's no delay, your lordship. Yes.
Huh?
There's no delay on our.
There is no delay. How do you say there's been no delay?
Because your lordship asked for our last representation, your lordship.
My lord, there is only one representation on board. Nothing else, my lord. Just prior to filing this repetition, they file a representation.
When was the representation?
2022, your lordship. That is.
That was also in 22, my lord.
2022.
2020, your lordship.
Representation. So amount due is 2010.
Yes, my lord. It belongs to that period.
When was the amount due?
Your lordship.
When was the amount due?
2013, your lordship.
30.
13.
13.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, there is no such averment in the
2013 amount due. Please take the representation at page, which page? Where is the representation?
113, Your Lordship.
Madam?
113.
113.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Representation is 3rd February 2020. Not 2022. Yes. Where have you stated that the amount is due in 2013 in your representation?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Two 2013 comes in page 121 on fact the denial of granting 3% increment and fixation on for 16/4/2000 from so and so whatever reason compatible with so on 2008. So you have made a representation after a delay of 8 years.
And my lord will kindly see, the representation is addressed to the principal of the college, my lord. It's not addressed to the state.
Principal will have to forward it to the state. Is it not? Yes. No case. So this was it.
Matter will come up next week, Your Lordship.
Not required. The present appeal has been filed against the order dated 6/3/2024 in WPC 246 of 2022. The case of the appellant petitioner is that they were teachers in deficit college and serving as associate professor and assistant professors. Full stop. They preferred a writ petition jointly on the ground that they have been placed at a higher stage of academic grade pay, but they have been denied the increments which they are entitled to. Full stop. According to the appellant petitioner, there was a scheme in 2008 which recommended the grant of increment in terms of the 6th Central Pay Commission. And that though the government of Meghalaya has adopted the said scheme on 31/12/2008, there was no decision, there was no payment made, even though the same has also been accepted in terms of UGC norm as early as in 2010.
10, my lord.
Full stop. According to the petitioner, according to the appellant petitioner, the professors are entitled to the increment,
Additional increment, my lord.
additional increment with effect from 2013, as could be seen from the representation dated 3/2/2020 made to the principal. Full stop. Which page, sir? Madam? 113, no?
My lord, the representation is 103, my lord.
10?
103, because
113.
three separate representations, my lord, by three.
Whatever it is, represent.
Starts
Doesn't
from
matter.
103, my lord.
10?
103 of the writ appeal.
1. Full stop. The representation, the extract of the representation is as below. See, take page number 121. Even though, according to the appellant, the professors are entitled to 3% increment at the time of fixation of pay, at the time of a placement in 2013, there was no whisper till a representation dated 3/2/2020 has been made. Full stop. From the typeset of documents, there appears to be another representation on 7/2/2020 requesting for grant of additional promotional increment at the time of placement from the post of stage 1 assistant professor to the post of stage 2 assistant professor in the pay band of so and so, page 103. Full stop. The additional increment which the petitioner claims is not a continuous one. The cause of action is not continuous. It has no bearing with regard to the grant of other benefits and is not going to affect the terminal benefits, including pensionary benefit, if any.
My lord, there is no pensionary benefit.
If any is said. Tomorrow you extend it, then they say that court has prepared it.
My lord.
Taking note of the fact that there is a delay of a decade or delay of more than 8 years in making a representation, learned judge, after referring to the various judgments, came to the conclusion that there no relief could be granted. Full stop. The representation has been made only in the year 2020, when according to the appellant writ petitioner, they are entitled to benefits as early as in 2013. So, on the sole ground of delay or laches in approaching this court, we are not inclined to grant the relief. We are inclined to refer to para number 10 of the learned judge order for rejecting the plea of the appellant petitioner on the ground of delay and laches. Full stop. As the additional increment is not a continuing wrong, and that the appellant petitioner has slept over the matter for more than 8 years, we cannot wake up a sleeping person from the slumber to get the relief. Dismissed.
Obliged, my lord.
Your senior is appearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is he? Shall we put the senior's name? If you allow the case, we would have mentioned your name. If your senior had come, we would have imposed costs to Shillong Bar, payable to Shillong Bar Association.
Actually, Your Lordship, today we were under the impression that the respondent state will file the objections.
You must be prepared. We may accept the counter, we may not accept the counter, we may grant time, we may not grant time. See, we would have dismissed it to first day itself. So giving an opportunity and thereafter to pass orders, on the first day when juniors appear, we don't want to dismiss it. Seniors come, we'll dismiss it. Juniors will come, we want to give some opportunity for them to read, that's all.
Kindly allowed, Your Lordship, 1 week. Come.
What is it?
Kindly give
Loud.
one more chance, Your Lordship.
We have already passed orders. Only thing is, it has got to be task tagged and we have to sign. you have a good case, we'll ignore her. We will grant her relief. Good luck for the next case.
All right, Your Lordship.
On the daily list, item number 1.
Dr. Moshika, he said he's not well. Right? Dr. Moshika appeared and said that he's not well.
Lordship.
Yes, yes. Which appearing the sixth respondent?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 6, my lord.
You said that you're going to file objections.
Lordship, yes, but we could not get in touch with the deponent, Lordship.
Pardon me?
We tried getting in touch with the deponent, but the phone was always out of not reachable, my lord.
Your Lordship, this is a writ appeal, Your Lordship.
Sir?
My submission is that there's no requirement for filing any objections.
There's no need for any objections.
We had already filed our affidavit, Lordship, at the.
But last time on 14/5, you took an adjournment saying that you won't file objections on 13/6.
Lordship. But it'll be on the. We'll place reliance on the affidavit only, my lord.
So shall we record that you're not going to file any objections?
Lordship.
What is the matter about?
The matter is
So you are failing with?
We'll place reliance in the affidavit file, my lord.
before the learned single judge. What they have filed before the learned single judge, they're playing the reliance on that.
It is a matter which we heard, no? No. This is not a matter. The matter is taken up for hearing. It is represented by the sixth respondent that they are not going to file any objections
My lord.
as stated on 14/5/2024. And no record saying that they are not going to file any objection. Who's the matter for hearing on so and so date?
Much obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
Miscellaneous petition.
Lordship, in terms of your Lordship's order, last order, Lordship, we have taken steps on the private respondent.
Delay.
Lordship, we have taken
How many
steps.
days delay?
Lordship, 665, Lordship, 665 days delay, Lordship. There was a proceeding in between, Lordship.
Service not complete.
Lordship. It's still in, Lordship, we have checked from the online portal showing that it is still in transit, Lordship. It has been dispatched.
Oh, and the matter is taken up for hearing. The counsel appealing for the petitioner submitted that service on the which respondent?
Lordship, private respondents, 7 and 8.
Service on so and so respondent is awaited. 7 and 8
Lordship.
is awaited. What's the matter on?
We have some.
Shall I have it on 27th?
On 26.
26? We have bench. 26.
Lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of the state, my lord.
26. Once the service is there, we'll try to condone the delay
Lordship.
by imposing costs.
Lordship, we have explained the delay, Lordship. There was a proceeding.
Wait. 1 year delay, 10,000. 2 years delay, 20,000. Pay to Shillong, Bharat receipt. Yes. My brother says you should be impose more costs.
Hello.
Obliged.